Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. You were delirious? I didn't sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. A doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. Swami, who was telling the drill master about himself, he said he shocked the drill master by saying that he was feeling delirious. Swami also added that he didn't sleep at all last night and the doctor has asked him not to attend drill for a week. Get out, boy. I don't believe a word. Get out. Now, as we have read here, the drill master who heard all this, who heard the excuse of the boy that he was feeling delirious all night. Delirious means a condition, a state of mind in which one cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by fever. After hearing all this, the drill master said that get out, boy, I don't believe a word. Get out from here. He told him clearly that he does not believe him at all. Swami ran out of school towards the practice field. Everybody was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. Here we are getting the information that after giving the excuse to the drill master, when the drill master turned him out from the school, Swami went running towards the practice field for the match. There everybody was waiting for him and everyone was quite happy to see Swami so early, and Rajam, the captain of the team, jumped with joy. The only thing Swami was afraid of was that the drill teacher would spy him out on the field. So the next morning he hatched a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had 2.5 hours left before school. Swami was afraid that his drill master would spy on him and know the truth, so he thought of a plan. Next morning it was 7:30 and he had 2.5 hours before the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. 10 minutes later, he was standing before Dr. Keshwan's dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free and entered. Dispensary, the word dispensary means a place, a store where medicines are given to people who need them. Dear students, as we have read here that he had 2.5 hours before the school, Swaminathan quietly came out of his house and within 10 minutes he reached the Dr. Keshwan's dispensary and started talking to him about the certificate which he needed. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the YMU and I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is drill class, scouting or some period or other. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. Now here, as it is written here, they had conversation about what was the matter, why Swami has come to his dispensary. Swami told him that he needed a doctor's certificate. The doctor asked him the reason why he needed the certificate, and Swami told him the complete truth, that he is going to have a match with YMU and he needs to practice, but due to scouting and drill class and other periods he is unable to do the practice for the match, and as he needed time to practice for the match, he is asking for the certificate. Now let's continue with the explanation on page number 51. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? The doctor agreed to provide the certificate and asked him if there was anything wrong with him. He asked him about his health, if he was fine or not. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel that I have delirium. Swaminathan thought for a moment and then said that he is having delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? The doctor looked somewhat puzzled to hear this, so he asked what he exactly felt. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health, and told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Dear student, here the word choke means make it difficult to breathe. Examined means looked at someone very closely to check if anything was wrong, and the pink of health means absolutely healthy. Dear students, after hearing all this, that the boy was saying that he is feeling delirium and that he is having delirium, the doctor started laughing. He burst out laughing, and then he examined what was wrong with him. And after examining Swami, he said that he was absolutely fine, and in a very humorous way he suggested that he would get rid of delirium if he would do his drill daily. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But the doctor said, "But I will be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate." Prosecuted means punished by law because one has done something wrong. Swaminathan tries to explain the doctor that he needed the certificate for such and such purpose. The doctor said, "I can do that, but if I will do this wrong thing, I will be prosecuted. I will be punished by the law." "Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match?" Now Swami, who was trying to convince the doctor, he said that nobody will come to know about this, and do you want us to lose the match? He asked him. "I wish you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. The doctor wished for their success. He said that he can't give him certificate, but he would request the headmaster to let him off after 4:30. Swami, after hearing this, Swami thanked the doctor and praised him.